Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can transfer your amount from PayPal to your bank account. So this process is quite simple. So all you have to do is just log into your PayPal account, and here you have to put your email or your mobile number and click get code. You will receive a 6-digit code. So on the main dashboard, as you can see, my PayPal balance is 513.24 US dollars, and now we can transfer this amount to our bank account. So in order to transfer from PayPal to your bank account, first you have to link your card or bank with the PayPal. So in order to link, just click on link a card or bank, and here link a credit card or link a bank account. It's up to you if you want to link a credit card or if you want to link a bank account. Just click on this, and here you have to put your card number, card type, expiration date, CVV code, and your billing address, and click link card. So this process is quite simple. It will not take much time to complete this process. This amount I received on 26th of July, but it's credited into my PayPal account yesterday. So 200 US dollar credited at the same day. So remaining 313 was on hold, and it got released after 16 working days. So here to transfer, just I will click on transfer funds. So I have already linked my bank account. I will select this one and click next. So here it will show me the default balance which I received in my PayPal account, which is 513. So I will click next, and here it will give you the summary, the transfer rate, as I'm living and working in Saudi Arabia. So it will show me in Saudi Riyals the transfer rate and fee, and this amount will be credited into my account after 1 to 3 working days. So now I will hit transfer and done. So as you can see, now there is no balance in my PayPal account. We'll see this amount in my bank account like after 1 to 3 days. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.